What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Moola. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to uninstall the applications that you got from Microsoft Store. So if you got some applications like TikTok or Instagram, I'm gonna be showing you in this video how you can uninstall them easily. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, click on the Windows icon or search and then search settings. Now click apps and then click installed apps. Once you do that, search for the application you wanna uninstall, for example Instagram, and then click on the three dots or more options and then click uninstall. And as you guys can see, this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Click uninstall. And the application will be uninstalled. So that's it for this video. If you like it, please share with your friends, subscribe on our official YouTube channel, and don't forget to visit our official website, theinternetmoola.com. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.